Have shared their tales of despair in their quest for affordable medical care. The success stories are few and far in between. Some people have opted to travel outside the country for treatment they believe is superior to what is available here in Kenya. William Lusige brings us one such story of a family living in Kakamega County. Take a look.
When I first met Samson Shiveka's family in May 2018, the family was drowning in agony.
Nikimzaa alikuwa sawa, but kufikia 3 months ndiye akaonyesha ni mgonjwa.
No local doctor was able to treat her. Elsie had been diagnosed with 2 holes in her heart.
Tuliishi kwa hospitali referral kwa muda wa miezi 7 kama mtoto ameadmitiwa. Tukatoka wakaturifaa Kijabe tukaishi huko miezi 2. Hakuna tiba, hakuna suluhisho. Kijabe wakaturifaa Mata, bado hakuna suluhisho. Mata wakatutuma Mpisha, hawakutupatia reasons, lakini walituambia tu hawezi tibika.
During a free medical checkup by foreign doctors in Nairobi, it was confirmed that Elsie had 3 holes in her heart and an unmalignant swelling in her abdomen that had already compromised her internal organs. Doctors recommended immediate surgery. Doctors had warned that Elsie will not survive surgery after turning 2 years. The family was advised that the best place to seek medication was in India. The entire procedure there will cost 2 million Kenyan shillings. With no money to cater for this, the family turned to public, appealing for financial help.
Tulitembea naye kila mahali kwa watu wote watusaidie. Tulitembea kwa kila ule mtu ambaye tunaona anaweza tusaidia, tulikuwa tunaenda kwake.
Kieten kwanza nyinyi ndio ilikuwa chanzo cha huyu mtoto kupona, kwa sababu interview ya kwanza ambayo mlitu interview tukiwa hapa pale tumesimama, mlitu interview na ndo through that NHIF wakaona hiyo interview, na baada ya NHIF kuona interview wakajitolea kwamba watatusaidia kulipa hiyo bills za hospitali.
Well-wishers contributed money to cater for air ticket and accommodation for the family, where their budget for a room in India was Kenyan shillings 3,000 per day. 2 major surgeries were conducted on baby Elsie. The first one was on her abdomen. 2 weeks later, the second one was conducted on her heart. She will then stay at the hospital for 2 months while recuperating.
Anzia tukuje, there's a big change kwa sababu alikuwa hata hiyo kelele kupiga amefurahi, kutembea angeweza, lakini sasa yeye anatembea everywhere, anaweza simama mwenyewe, ako very active, hata anakula vizuri.
This young girl Elsie now lives happily as other children after she was diagnosed with 3 holes in her heart and swollen abdomen, and later went for treatment in India thanks to well-wishers and NHIF who footed all the bills here in the country and even their stay in India. Willie Lusige reporting for KTN News in Kakamega County.